Hello, welcome to the car parts in Chinese part 2. I believe you've watched the part 1. If you have not, you can watch it later or you can watch it first before you come back to this now. Now, let's continue. Before we do that, please like and subscribe. Click on this video, like it, subscribe it, share this video to your friends and family. And let's get started now. So this is the part 2, car parts. So the last class we stopped at number 15, which is you can check here, air filter, kunchi, lu ching. So now let's go to number 16. Number 16 we have windshield wiper. Your windshield wiper. So it is pronounced as you shua, you shua, you shua. So car windshield wiper is pronounced as cho da you shua, show da you shua. So can you pronounce it? Okay, that's good, that's good. Now cho da you shua. Now the next one, number 17. Ignition coil, ignition coil. It is pronounced as dian huo xian quan, dian huo xian quan, dian huo xian quan, dian huo xian quan. So what you're going to do is car ignition coil, cho da dian huo xian chuan, dian huo xian chuan, cho da dian huo xian chuan. So number 18 we have shock absorber. So shock absorber is pronounced as jian zheng qi, jian zheng qi. So car shock absorber is pronounced as cho da jian zheng qi, cho da jian zheng qi, cho da jian zheng qi. So can you say that? Okay, that's good. Now let's move over to number 19. Fuel tank, fuel tank. Now fuel tank is known as ran yo xiang, ran yo xiang, cho da ran yo xiang. I believe you know what it is. That is car fuel tank. So can you say it? Cho da ran yo xiang. Okay, that's good. Now let's move on to number 20, which is the oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor. Yang chuan gan qi. Yang chuan. Yang. It is pronounced as Yang chuan gan qi. Yang chuan gan qi. So oxygen sensor, car oxygen sensor is pronounced as cho da yan chuan gan qi, cho da yan chuan gan qi. So can you pronounce it? Okay, that's good. Cho da yan chuan gan qi. So let's move on to carburetor. Carburetor. Carburetor is pronounced as hua yo qi, hua yo qi. So car carburetor is pronounced as cho da hua yo qi, cho da hua yo qi. Can you say that? Pronounce it again. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to number 22. Timing belt. I believe this belt is found in the bonnet, one of the belts in the engine. If you don't know how it looks like, you can Google it. Timing belt. So it's pronounced as Zheng Shi Pi Dai. Zheng Shi Pi Dai. So pronounce it. Okay, now can you tell me what car timing belt is? Good. Zhou da zheng shi pi dai. Zhou da zheng shi pi dai. Zhou da zheng shi pi dai. Now that is perfect. Now let's go to number 23. The wheel hub, that is the car rim, the tire. The wheel hub. So the frame, when you want to change your tire, the frame that holds the tire, so it's pronounced as Cho Lun Jiao Chong. Cho Lun Jiao Chong. Cho Lun Jiao Chong. So the wheel hub is Cho Lun Jiao Chong. So car wheel hub is Cho Lun Jiao Chong. You know why we not do Cho da? Because the car is already attached here. You understand? The Cho is already there. So car Lun Jiao Chong. So can you say car wheel hub? Okay, that's good. Let's move on to the number 24. Camshaft. So pronounced as Tu Lun Jiao. Tu Lun Jiao. Tu Lun Jiao. Tu Lun Jiao. So car camshaft is Choda Tu Lun Jiao. So camshaft Choda Tu Lun Jiao. Choda Tu Lun Jiao. Okay, can you pronounce it? Okay, that's good. Now let's go to distributor number 25. Distributor is one of the components in the battery sector. Now car distributor is Pei Dianqi. Pei Dianqi. Can you say that? Now car distributor is Choda Pei Dianqi. Choda Pei Dianqi. Now can you pronounce that? Can you make that sentence? Choda Pei Dianqi. Okay, your turn. Okay, now I believe we've reviewed serpentine belt number 26, which is Shaw Pi Dai. We reviewed this one in the first 15 in part 1. Now thermostat number 27. Thermostat is Hong Wen Fa. Hong Wen Fa. So car thermostat is Choda Hong Wen Fa. Can you say that? Choda Hong Wen Fa. Choda Hong Wen Fa. Choda Hong Wen Fa. Okay, say it. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to number 28. Catalytic converter. This catalyst is what helps you conserve fuel in your car. That catalyst. So catalyst converter is Cui Hua Juan Hua Qi. Cui Hua Juan Hua Qi. So car catalyst converter is pronounced as Choda Cui Hua Juan Hua Qi. Cui Hua Juan Hua Qi. So can you tell me what car catalyst converter is? Okay, Cui Hua Juan Hua Qi. Okay, that's good. Now let's go to 29, EGR valve. If you want to understand what it means, just Google EGR valve. You'll be able to see it. Now it is pronounced as Fei Qi Tai Xun Huan Fa. fei shi tai xiong huang fa. Pronounce it. Okay, that's good. Fei chi tai xiong huang fa. Okay, now number 30. ABS system. ABS system. You can check on Google what the ABS system is. It has to do with your electrical system. So ABS system is pronounced as Fang Bao Si Shi Tong. Fang Bao Si Shi Tong. Fang Bao Si Shi Tong. Okay, now before we continue, please like this video, subscribe to this video so that you can be getting regular updates. Now we've come to the end of part 2 of car parts in Chinese. So I'm going to make more videos. You can check out my other videos on office equipment in Chinese, home appliances in Chinese, generator parts in Chinese, and other parts in Chinese. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this video. Thank you once again.